Hello and welcome to 6th grade math lesson 95, reducing rates before multiplying. In lessons previous, what we've learned how to do is to reduce fractions before we multiply. Today, we're going to reduce rates. What we're going to do is just going to start on page 494. Letter A. We have $3 over 1 hour times 8 hours over 1. So we have $3, that's $3 an hour, that's how much you make, times 8 hours, and we just put it over 1. Now, can we reduce the numbers? 8 and 1? No. 3 and 1? No. We can, however, reduce hour and hours. So, we can just get rid of this and rid of this, and so now we have what's 3 times 8 is 24 what? $24 over 1, or $24. I think the biggest thing here, boys and girls, when we get into this lesson is that you have to think of this as two different multiplication problems. You've got the numbers and you've got the words. Let's take a look at another one here on page 494. The next one we have on page 494, we're going to do letter B. 6 baskets over 10 shots. So we have 6 baskets, 10 shots, times... The second part of this is 100 shots over 1. Okay, nothing here, but now here we can. So we can actually get rid of the word shots because it's in both spots. Now look, we can do the 10 and the 100. How many 10s are in 100? Well, that's pretty easy. 10 of them. So we just make that. So 6 times 10 is, the answer there is 60 baskets. Because you carry the word over as well. Carry the word over as well. Let's take a look at letter D. Letter D in this case is 160 kilometers over 2 hours. 160 kilometers over 2 hours. 160 km, 2 hours, times 10 hours over 1. Let's do our reduction here. So we have 1 and 5. We get rid of the hours. So we have 160 times 5, which is 800 kilometers. So in 10 hours, you would go 800 kilometers. Okay? Today's lesson is not that hard. Now, I'm not going to tell you the assignment because right now, remember, we're starting to work in that packet. So I think it's the starred. Should be lesson 95 starred.